In this first episode of the new series, we're going to be showing you how to build the base of this cupola. In the comment section below, let us know what you think of this new style of video. And as always, let's make some metal move. First things first, we measure our blank out and then we cut it to length and width in our shears. And then we take it and we put our pattern on. Nate is showing you the 12-12 pitch that we do. We do two 12-12 pitches, and then we do two that are flat. Here he is dotting all of our bend points, and then he scribes as well. The next thing you see him doing is taking his snips and cutting out the blank to what he just scribed in the last section. This one is the one where he had the 12-12 pitch. Next thing he does is take it over to our auto brake. Here he is putting a hand seam onto it. That's how we connect the 4 panels together. You'll see that in a little bit. Now he's putting the design on the top, just makes it a little bit more sturdy when we put them all together. Next, after it's all bent up, we take our Wuko and we bend a tab on the bottom. That's just so that when it sits on the roof, it has a little bit more stability. Next, we add foam to the sheet of metal with this green adhesive. This just adds a little bit more rigidity to the piece. After the adhesive dries a little bit, we put the foam adhesive to adhesive onto the metal, and to activate the adhesive, we have to apply pressure, which you see him doing right now. And then to top it all off, we add another piece of metal to the very bottom of it, just so that it gives it that last little bit of rigidness. Again, we wait for a little bit of time to let the adhesive dry just slightly, and then we activate the adhesive with one last roll of pressure. Then we repeat that 4 more times. The last step is putting each panel together. We use the hand seams and the tabs that were bent earlier. Here Nate is just tapping the hand seams together. It doesn't take much to put them together, and then he puts rivets on the tops of each of the corners. Well, Nate, that was it. How to build the base of the cupola. Thanks for sticking around so long, guys.
And stay tuned for next week's episode of how we're going to put these corners together.
And if you don't have the notifications on, click them now so you can see our next week's video.